Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Alright, y'all. It is November. It is Monday. First video of the November. This is going to be an absolutely awesome month for old school soul food. If you don't have people that own this page, make sure you tell them to follow them. November is my favorite month of the year to post videos because it's Thanksgiving month. I'm going to be very busy this month and I'm excited and pumped up about it. I just came off a KATY meet and greet this weekend. I am running on half tank, but it don't take much to fill me back up. I'm motivated. We had an awesome time Saturday night, which was last night. And I'm still trying to come down off that high of the meet and greet and the food and the fellowship. And it was just an amazing event. If you missed it, I'm sorry, but there will be lots more meet and greets coming up. But KATY was absolutely amazing. And I will have a lot more in the future. Hopefully I can see each and every one of y'all in the city or venue near you. So anyway, this is about the motivation menu idea favorite. And I'm trying to focus on the Instant Pot more on Mondays because it's a very simple, easy way to cook and very flavorful. So this Monday I'm doing my barbecue pulled pork in the Instant Pot. If you don't eat pork, I'm sorry. Like I say, I love pork. I grew up on pork. It's a staple of the South. So I'm going to show y'all how to do a good pork in the Instant Pot. And takes about 30 minutes, not 30 minutes, 45 to an hour. I'm going to do this for an hour because I really wanted to pull apart. So what I'm doing right now, I got some of my Uncle Steve shake, and I'm putting some smoke bomb on here. All this will be in the description of the video. Actually, you can use any barbecue seasoning that you want, that you like. Putting this on here. I'm putting no Worcestershire, no nothing on top. I'm going to put that later. I'm going to flip this over. Make sure you get it good and seasoned. And then over here. And over here, put some on the other side, real liberally. And this is an awesome way to make pulled pork, y'all. You remember I had to make pulled pork even in the crock pot out on the pit? Not anymore. This Instant Pot, y'all, this thing is a good way to come home on after Monday. Or you can do it the crock pot method if you want to. This smoke bomb that Uncle Steve Shake have, you go on this website, this is an amazing product. It makes your meat just have that smokiness, flavor, and taste to it. And what I'm going to do, y'all, I'm going to let this kind of hang out here about 30 minutes or so these seasoning can kind of stick on here and marinate on here a little. The best thing to do is overnight, like on a Sunday night, if possible. Let it hang out in the fridge and kind of let them seasonings kind of stick on there really, really good. And when you, next morning, or you go to work, or the next evening when you come home from work, you can kind of put it in your Instant Pot like I'm about to show you with the other items. And it'll be an awesome pulled pork sandwich. I got a nice, let me show y'all here. Some nice jumbo, look at that, buns. I'm going to put them on for a little barbecue sauce. And that's all you need. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back when I put them in the Instant Pot. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we are back here. Okay, now, I didn't tell y'all before what this is. This is just a barbecue shoulder. A pork butt, pork shoulder, however you want to say it. And I cut it in strips, of course, so it'll fit in here. And what I do, just put it in here, around in here, just like that. Now, I got a little onions I'm going to put on the top, spread around on the top. Let them onions going to hang out a little in there. They're going to have the onions already. And I got a fly in my kitchen. Y'all know I hate that. It's not even summertime anymore. Okay. Now, I'm going to pour I got some Worcestershire sauce. Let me show y'all how I got this in here. I leave a whale. There we go. I leave a whale inside the like a hole in between. I do this, put the pork around, and I pour the Worcestershire in the middle, and apple cider vinegar in the middle. I don't pour it on top of the meat. But what this gonna do as it cooks, all that vinegar and Worcestershire sauce, the flavor is gonna come through the meat. I don't want to put any liquid on top of the meat because I don't want to ruin any of the rub and stuff like that that's on the meat. And that's all the liquid you're gonna need, y'all, on that. You're gonna close it up. Make sure it's sealed. Sealed. It's sealed. All I'm gonna do here, move y'all back here, and I'm gonna use the meat setting on the thing, and it should be automatically set for 65 minutes. Meat, and it's automatically set for 65 minutes. That's all it's gonna take, y'all. 65 minutes, and we're gonna have good old pulled pork. Now I'll be back in 65 minutes. Like I say, I got some nice jumbo buns here. I'm gonna toast off me one. You're gonna put on a nice toasted bun, a little barbecue sauce on top. You can do like Carolina do, which is awesome too. Put a little coleslaw on there also, but I just like the meat and bread, and that's it. So anyway, we'll be right back. 65 minutes. Motivational menu recipe ideas, the way to start your week. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, I just turned this off in 65 minutes. Now, we're gonna take this off here and show you what I got. And y'all see why I didn't add any more liquid to this? As you can see, look at that. Thing is falling apart, y'all. Let me put some here on the plate here. In fact, you know what? I'm gonna get a bowl here. Let me get something here that's right here on this bowl. Let's see if I can grab a good piece here. Look at this one. It's falling apart. You can't even pick it up. Look at that. Get some of them onions off of there. See them nice onions? Look at that. Now what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna see how, look at that. Look at that, y'all. That's just all goodness in this pot. I'm gonna move this to the side, take the plug off of here. And what I'm gonna do, you know how you're gonna pull pork. So when they mean pull pork, all you're gonna do is like this, pull it. Let me move it back here so y'all can see here. And you just pull it, take forks and pull it just like that. See how easy that pulls? How easy that just pulls apart? Oh my God, this thing smells amazing. Nice vinegary smell, just like Carolina pulled pork barbecue. Now, what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna get a bun here. I see I'm gonna toast the bun off, but I'm not gonna even toast the bun, y'all. I'm gonna just use the bun just like this and let all that goodness soak up into this nice, Texas size bun here. Get my plate. Nice bun there. Get my tongs here and put a nice big helping here on the side of here. Okay. You know this is goodness here, y'all. Right out of the Instant Pot. Like I said, I got me a barbecue sauce here. Put a little barbecue sauce on there. Look at that. Look at that. Now, a little bit more onions on here. You got them onions here. See them onions there? Put a little bit more of the onions on there. And you can put as many or less onions as you like. And look, I'm going to step off here. I got to make a thumbnail. You know I got to have that. And I'm going to be right back and we're going to taste this sandwich. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all. I am back here. Alright, now the time to taste this sandwich here. I know it's going to be good. I do it all the time. Here, put that top bun on there. Here we go. Nice, flavorful, tender. bite here. That's a sandwich, y'all. That is a sandwich. Like I say, it's very flavorful because you lose none of the flavor that goes through there in the Instant Pot. All that flavor just stays intact. Hold on, y'all. I gotta get me a drink here. It stays intact of the sandwich, of the meat, and you got the sweetness of the onion, and then the barbecue sauce. I like a little vinegary-based barbecue sauce. You can also do like they do in the Carolinas, put some coleslaw on top of this and eat it like that. It's awesome like that, y'all. One more bite. This stuff is so good. So good. Nice, tender, juicy pulled pork. It didn't take all day to do it outside or in the oven. Very easy, very simple, delicious dish. So, and you can serve it with a potato salad, french fries, baked beans. Easy way to cook pulled pork. Nice way to start the week. So, let me close this video out. If you like this video, like I say, all of them, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media accounts. I'm about 100 and something away from 100,000. When you watch this video, I might be already over 100,000. If not, please share my videos. Get over the 100,000 subscriber threshold, which is a major, major, major accomplishment in the YouTube community. So, remember the hashtag 2021. Help somebody. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Y'all have a blessed and prosperous week. I'll see y'all later. Love y'all. Bye.